He once smoothed a restless fire, chasing every quick desire, running fast without a plan, driven by the spark of man. But something quiet starts to rise, a deeper look behind his eyes. A change in truth begins to form, a clearer voice within the storm. He grows into a wiser mind, leaving hurried steps behind. Life reshapes the way he sees, turning youth to clarity. He learns to pause before he leaps, holding inside he can keep. A grounded strength begins to shine, the turning of a growing mind. The lessons settle in his chest, guiding him to choose what's best. Impulse softens into thought, shaped by everything life taught. He feels a shift from quick to slow, letting true intention show. What once was wild becomes refined, a steady heart, a steady mind. He grows into a wiser mind, leaving hurried steps behind. Life reshapes the way he sees, turning youth to clarity. He learns to pause before he leaps, holding inside he can keep. A grounded strength begins to shine, the turning of a growing mind. Final tag comes thoughtful